Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that OHO token. Now before start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, OHO is the universal layer 1 for all blockchain with the goal to provide a pleasant user experience and effortless adoption to the general public, be it crypto noises or seasoned blockchain developers. OHO coins is the native cryptocurrency of the OHO blockchain and can be safely kept on OHO wallets, MetaMask or Ledger hardware wallets. OHO coin is a carefree yet powerful cryptocurrency for everyone to enjoy. The OHO blockchain is a fast, scalable, smart contract capable, EVM compatible, eco-friendly and secure POA platform with the 3-second finality and low fees. It is fully equipped with a variety of universal and user-friendly tools. Using proof of authority consensus, the finality of an OHO transaction is around 3 seconds and each transaction costs around only 0.001 OHO. With the virtuality instant and low-cost transaction, OHO blockchain is primed for daily users and global adoption. OHO token total supply is 45 billion and circulating supply is around 24.12 billion OHO token. OHO token is listed on Bitmart and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.